If you accidentally delete a file in OneDrive, you may be able to recover it later. OneDrive has a recycle bin that acts kind of like the recycle bin on your computer desktop, except the OneDrive recycle bin empties itself. If you're signed in with a Microsoft account, items stay in the recycle bin for 30 days. With work or school accounts, the recycle bin empties after 93 days, unless your admin changes the setting. To restore your deleted files, select the recycle bin. You'll see a list of your recently deleted files. Select the file you want to restore and select Restore. You'll see a notification that your file has been restored. You'll find your restored item in its original location in OneDrive.